bang specific sample goals per age kapag gumagawa ng IEP sa mga bata, especially sa mga public?
I have here yung smart building blocks of smart goals ni Teacher Ana, and this is how to develop a smart goal. Pag sinabi mo kasing smart yung goal mo, it is specific, it is measurable, it is achievable, it is relevant, and time-bound. Kinakailangan kung gagawa tayo ng goal, specific, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung gusto mo na target? It should be measurable, ibig sabihin, kailangan nakikita siya at nabibigyan mo siya ng rubrics para malaman mo kung ilang beses or na-master na ba niya. It should be achievable, hindi tayo pwedeng magbigay, let's say, ng writing na kaagad, yung gross motor skills niya, hindi pa naman fully mastered, hindi pa niya na-develop. At the same time, it is time-bound. Ibig sabihin, within a certain period of time, kailangan ma-achieve yon. So I would say, kung titingnan natin itong libro ni Teacher Ana, kapag gumagawa siya ng goal, more or less it is composed of 3 to 4 sentences. Halimbawa, ang goal is by the end of the month, with 80% accuracy, the student will sort objects by shape and color as verified through observation checklist. Tapos dudugtungan pa yan na at the end of the school year, halimbawa as October 30, 2027, by next year, yun yung goal. So, kung makikita natin, kailangan merong components ng pagiging smart dahil that's the only way that we can also determine if the child is progressing or not.